What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has hit another huge green candlestick guys. It has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. And again, not just over the last 24 hours but over the last approximately a week since the Bitcoin halving took place, it has pumped up quite a bit and has most of it being green days. So we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk guys. It is the recovery point for the crypto. Is it likely to break out for the next couple of weeks, months and so on, looking at how high the crypto can go and focusing on what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from the crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and we can see Bonk has clearly pumped or broke out from the green zone into the dark green zone and right now into the blue zone, and it is getting very close to the next resistance level here, which means the next one is the top tier level. But from what I'm seeing right now, I can see that the crypto is slightly overvalued, so it is likely to go for a price correction, which I'll be covering later on in the video. So for now, let's hide this and bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So another day where the value of Bonk is higher than the SMA indicator here in purple, which is pretty much on target and performing better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value towards the end of the day today. The crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And again, do expect red candles in between as well. It is likely to go through little dips in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days we're looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and they're not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, Bonk should be going through an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting as well, so trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, do expect the odd red days in between. But again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. And yes, I'm expecting it to go for at least about a good 35 to 40% increase from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Bonk. However, if there are any changes to this, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and of course mainly to stay up to date on the predictions on Bonk and so on and so on. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking very steep. Reason being is the major pump that's taken place over the last week or so. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, I am not expecting that. In fact, by mid to late June, I am expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value at a lower value than where it is at the moment, or even much lower value, shall I say, is what my expectations at the moment. Reason being is I do not see this as a sustainable cryptocurrency, and the way that it's been pumping and dropping over the last couple of months, I've predicted pretty much what's likely to take place, and so far I have been correct. But reason I'm expecting it to increase over the coming week is, of course, the Bitcoin halving should have a positive impact on the crypto market, including Bonk. However, let a few weeks go, the crypto is likely to start dropping down in value, trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale and I'll explain that to you in a little bit more detail. So right now it is likely to head into a top tier level over the coming, potentially towards the end of the week or even over the next few days, and then once it hits about mid to late May, June time, it should start to hit red candles, dropping down in value and then dropping back down into the red zone is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at by June, July. So by mid-year, the crypto should have dropped back down into the red zone, and previously it did bounce back up, as you guys can see, hit the red zone, bounce back, but this time I'm not expecting it to bounce back. I'm essentially expecting it to drop into the red zone. But again, it is cryptocurrency, any little news can have a major impact, so that's why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 340% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $700 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is gained a huge amount of value, not just over the last day but over the week, near about 100%, guys. So it has gained a lot of attention in the crypto market, and we are seeing many more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and in return this has had a positive impact on the value of Bonk as well. So far so good, and again, I'm not expecting Bonk to break out essentially over the coming weeks. In fact, I'm expecting it to crash back down in value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. Let me know in the comment section down below, has this pump here over the last few days changed your predictions on Bonk, and if so, how has it changed? Comment down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go, and essentially let me know your predictions on Bonk as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick update on Bonk, in case some of you guys are wondering why is it pumping so much, what's next for this crypto over the short and long term. This is my take. Let me know your take on the crypto, and on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.